Stay one more night. Don't you know that my love is true? Let's make things right. I understand what you're going through. Stay one more night, and I know that it's not too late. Let's make things right. You just have to believe in fate.
Hi guys, it's been a little while since I filmed, and I don't really have an excuse. I've been all over the place. But I wanted to get right back into filming, and I'm going to do a makeup tutorial for you guys. And I'm just going to get right into it basically. I love Zendaya. I think everybody does. She's really pretty. She does good makeup on herself. She has beautiful curly hair, and she's great. So I was doing a little look on her Instagram, you know, when you just stalk on occasion, and I saw this look. Hopefully you can see that. Oh, there's my ring light just right in the way. But it's a yellow look. I'll put a picture of it in here so you guys can see it better. But I figured I would try to do this look and just kind of show you guys how to put yellow eyeshadow on and make it wearable so you can actually go out. So yeah, let's get started. I'm gonna throw my hair up because I didn't refresh my curls yet, and I'm just gonna hide what I got going on here. My hair looks a little bit different because I got highlights, and they're super bright because I'm gonna be putting some purple in them soon. I just haven't done it yet because I'm super nervous, but yeah. There's some blonde in there, and I'm getting a haircut because I got some dead stuff going on. But yeah, let's get right into the video. I haven't washed my face, and I'm not super bad right now, and I'm just gonna go over my face with a little bit of micellar water. It's just the Garnier one. So I'll be right back. I'm gonna do that and put some moisturizer on, and then we'll get into it. I will link everything I use down below. Like my moisturizer and stuff. Right now I'm using Dr. Paw Paw Multi-Purpose Soothing Balm for my lips before we get started. And then I'm going to take the Cover FX, sorry, I'm just making sure, blurring primer, and I'm going to put that around my T-zone and stuff. I'm going to fill my brows in today just a little bit. So I just did my brows. I didn't do anything too crazy. I just wanted to kind of make them a little neater. And Zendaya has like the greatest brows ever. I just cleaned my brows up with the Maybelline Master Conceal in 40 Medium. Today I'm just going to be mainly using my Subculture palette, just because it's got some nice yellows in here. So it looks like she has yellow more on like the inner and mid of her eye, and then some brown on the outside of her eye. I can't get over her eyebrows. Oh my goodness. I want eyebrows like that, bro. So, let's see. I'm going to start out by taking New Wave and kind of go on my inner crease right here. So we're kind of going in the opposite direction today, but yeah. So I'm taking my Morphe M441 brush, and I'm just going to start out in my inner crease. Now I'm still using the same brush, and I'm going to take Edge, and I'm going to try and kind of blend it and pack it into the inner corner lid area. I'm taking a new brush, and again, I'm just going to pack it and just try and get the different yellow shade to kind of show up a little bit more. Next, I'm going to take the brush that these palettes come with. I don't even know. There's no name. It just says Anastasia Beverly Hills on it. It's got a fluffy side and like a more flat shader type side. And I'm going to take a little bit of New Wave and Fudge and just mix those together, just so it's not a super dark brown at first. And I'm going to go on my outer corner around here and just blend in circular motions. keep in mind, you guys, this isn't an exact look. This is just kind of my version of it. You know, my face makeup's going to be different than hers because I prefer different things with my makeup. And yeah, keep that in mind when you see people doing recreated looks or inspired looks. They don't have to be exactly the same. I'm going to take that same brush I used to apply the yellow before and blend out any of the harsher lines. And I'm going to add a little bit more yellow on the inner part of my eye. Alright, so I'm going to do the same thing on the other eye, and then we'll get into the rest of the look. It's not as yellow as I want it to be, so I'm just going to take my Sleek makeup. This is the Ultra Matte's V1 palette, and I'm just going to take the yellow shade. They have names, but I took the little paper out, so I don't know what the name of the yellow is. But I'm just going to go over where I placed the first yellow, just with a fluffy brush, just to give it a little bit more color. So I have some fallout under here because I went in a little too deep with that second yellow shade. So I'm going to grab a wipe and just clean up underneath my eyes, and then we're going to go in with some face products. I'm just going to grab that same concealer I used before to clean up my brows and put a little bit on the spots I need it. And this is the same color as my skin, so it can go under my eyes or wherever. I'm just going to take my sponge and blend that out a little bit. I'm not going to blend it out with my sponge on my chin just because I want the most coverage I can get there because I got my scars. And if I go over it with my sponge, the concealer would just kind of disappear. So my fingers are clean, and I'm just going to lightly tap that out. So for my cream contour today, I'm going to use the Model's Own Sculpt and Glow, and this is in Golden Glow. I think this is a lighter shade, maybe the darker one. I'm not 100% sure, to be honest, so don't take my word for that. But I'm going to just use my sponge and dip a little bit into here and go right along there. And this is more bronzing than contouring. It just, I want a little bit more shape to my cheekbone, so. I'm going to go in with my translucent powder. I'm using the Coty Airspun powder, just translucent. I'm going to set my chin, my nose, my forehead, and my under eyes, and then we'll be right back. I want to deepen up my contour bronzer area a little bit, so I'm going to take my Too Faced bronzer. This is the medium deep chocolate bronzer. Again, not too much, don't want to go crazy. So just a little bit. She doesn't have a super crazy amount of highlight on, but I think I'm going to do that anyway just because that's how I like my skin. And she's got some really pretty rosy cheeks. So I'm going to use the blush I always use, just my Milani Luminoso. And then I'm going to take my Wet n Wild highlighter, this is in Golden Flower Crown, and just highlight my face. And also going to go in and highlight my brow bone and my inner corner. Alright, so we're almost done here. Almost. I'm just going to grab edge again from before and go under my lash line a little bit. And you guys can see from the picture that I'm going to insert, she doesn't have as much highlight, and I don't think she has any highlight on her like brow bone, but that's just how I like to do my eyes, so I just wanted to add that in for myself. And I'm not putting any highlight on my cupid's bow today just because I'm doing more of a natural lip. And that I just prefer not having a crazy amount of highlight when my lips are more natural. So I'm going to go put on some mascara and lip balm, and we will be right back. So I figured I would just put on more lip balm with you guys here, and then I'll take my hair down. So that's it for this video, you guys. I didn't want to put lashes on, just wasn't in the mood for it, and I think Zendaya had some little ones on, but this is just how I wanted to go. And she had like a smoked out kind of little wing, but I liked it like this, so I just kept it like this. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you so much for watching. Products will be all down below, and let me know what you guys want to see. I really am going to be regular. I know I've said that 100 times before, but I really am going to be regular and post more. And yeah, I have a few video ideas coming up, and I'm going to film more and edit more. So I love you guys. I hope you have a beautiful day, and yeah, bye.